Welcome. In front of me is HONOR MagicPad 2, and in this video I will tell you what to do if your PIN is not accepted and you can't access your tablet. So the first right decision in such case would be to try and take your time and try to remember the PIN that you entered the last time that worked for you. And if you can't do this, then in such case you'll have to turn to HONOR customer support service, tell them about your issue, and in case you can provide the proof of the ownership of your tablet to them, they will most likely help you out solving your problem without any problems. And if this doesn't sound like a solution for you either, then I get you. In such case, you'll have to perform a factory reset operation. It will erase all data from your tablet, so it's better if you have a backup prepared. But you can do this both remotely and locally, and both ways will help you regain access to your account easily. You can either use your Google account if you have it linked to your tablet. In such case, you should also have the Find My Device feature enabled, unless you disabled it yourself. And you can log into your Google account on Find Hub page by Google and select the device on the list, so the tablet, and tap on the factory reset option in order to perform a factory reset, and this will erase all data from your device, and you'll be able to set up an account anew and get the access back. And if you can't use this one option, you can perform factory reset locally. To do that, simply go into recovery mode and perform the factory reset from there. But if you don't know how to access the recovery mode, or you need some help on your way, you can simply check the video on our channel explaining how to do that step by step, so you don't get lost and surely won't do anything wrong. So if you need that video, go ahead and check it out. And for this one, that will be all. So thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, and I'll see you in the next one.